If you've ever made changes to your files in OneDrive and later realized you need to bring things back to the way they were yesterday, or maybe even last week, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll walk you through step by step how to restore your entire OneDrive to a previous date and time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get back lost or changed files with confidence using OneDrive's own built-in tools. First, let's begin by heading over to OneDrive Online. Open up your favorite browser. This works best on Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and go to OneDrive.com. If you aren't already signed in, just use your Microsoft account credentials. This is the same login you use for Windows, Xbox, or Outlook, so don't worry if you need to pause for a moment to remember your password. Once you're in, you'll see your usual list of files and folders. Next, it's time to open the OneDrive settings. Look for the little gear icon in the top right corner. This is your settings shortcut. It's easy to miss, but it's nearly always up there in the same spot no matter what page you're on. Click the gear and a menu will pop out. From here, select Options. Don't rush, sometimes it takes a second for the Options page to load, especially if your internet is a little slow. Once you're on the Options page, find and click Restore your OneDrive. This is where the magic starts. Now comes the important part, choosing the date you want to roll back to. You'll see an activity chart almost like a timeline that shows when changes happened. This chart is really useful. It visually highlights spikes where big changes were made, like when lots of files were deleted or modified. You can click any of these points, or for more precision, use the drop-down menu to select a specific date. If you remember exactly when things went wrong, maybe there was a mix-up on Tuesday morning, you can even pick a custom date and time. Take your time reviewing the activities here. If it helps, you can think of this process like rewinding a movie to the last safe scene before a plot twist you didn't like. The goal is to get to the point right before you started having issues with your files. After you've picked the right date, you'll see a list of activities OneDrive will undo. Here, where you can choose exactly how far back you want to go. Select the earliest change you want to revert. Everything after that will be included. Don't stress if this feels overwhelming. OneDrive's interface is designed to help you make clear choices, even showing you what you're about to undo before anything is finalized. When you're ready, just click Restore. OneDrive will work through the process, and depending on how many files you have, this part might take a few moments. It's perfectly normal, just let it finish. And that's it. Once it's done, your OneDrive will look just like it did at the chosen time, as if you turned back the clock. It's a lifesaver for those moments when you need to recover deleted or changed files without any hassle. If you found this guide helpful, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Leave any questions down below. I'm always here to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.